So I'm in the state of Kerala. We're on the way to Munnar, and look at that in the background. Amazing waterfall. You're surrounded by cliffs and stuff here. This is literally like the yeah. It's literally like the jungle. Honestly, how beautiful that is. Down there. This is a pretty place. It's very relaxing. I mean, yeah, this is like a one lane each way road. It's not a super huge place. But wow, look at that. It would be super funny if there was somebody down there. Wow.